like to speak?
I would. First, I'd like to say thank you so much. Talking publicly inside of a group like this is so out of my comfort zone, but inside my classroom, it's like right up my alley. I was definitely not expecting this, had no idea anything about this, but I am super excited and super grateful. And with what Mr. Daly said, I couldn't be the teacher I am today without the support from the other teachers and staff members, and my students are what make me want to continue being a teacher. Creating relationships are my why. It's my main why. I want to be that extra support. I want to get them to know them beyond academics. I want them to see that they're capable of doing anything. And the teachers and staff at Long Branch make it easy to do that. So I just want to say thank you.